Hi friends, I am Dr. Shraddha Mahalle, dermatologist and cosmetologist practicing in Nagpur, and today I am going to discuss how to stop hair loss by your healthy hair care routine. As we all know that hair is a crowning glory for all of us, but it creates a huge worry if we have hair thinning, hair loss. Hair loss is the commonest concern we see in our OPD as a dermatologist. In fact, in this 5 to 6 year, there are a lot of patients who are coming for hair loss treatment. So it is very important that what is the reason for this hair loss? Why we lose hair? As hair follicle has its own hair cycle. So it has its growth phase, it has its resting phase, and it has a shedding phase. There are various factors that affect this hair cycle. These factors are excessive stress, competition in early stages of your life, lot of sleep disturbances, excessive dieting, sudden changes in your lifestyle, hormonal imbalances. All these can disturb hair follicle cycle, leading to hair shedding. If it shed over a period of time, then it is known as a chronic hair loss. If it is acutely shedding, then it is known as a short-term hair loss. There is again a diffuse pattern of hair loss which can eventually lead to balding. So it is very important to know the causes of hair loss, and this is the actual management. This is the actual treatment for hair loss. That's why you need to visit a dermatologist. What do we do as a dermatologist? We usually find out whether you are suffering from any nutritional deficiencies like vitamin B12 deficiency, iron deficiency, biotin, B3 deficiency, whether you are suffering from any hormonal imbalance like insulin resistance, thyroid deficiency, or whether you are suffering from polycystic ovarian disease. Once we rule out all this, we balance it, we correct all this, and you have to maintain it throughout your lifetime. You have to prevent hair thinning, but also you have to grow back your hair. So your complete balanced diet plays a main role for your hair routine. So it is important to take a balanced diet which is rich in iron and proteins. Now coming towards do's and don'ts, which is again important for all of us. So what should we do and what we shouldn't? Clean hair is an important step for your healthy hair. So always use detergent free or sulfate free shampoo. Washing frequently can lead to the dryness. If you are a sport person, you can daily wash your hair with a mild shampoo. You shouldn't use hot water. Avoid scrubbing and rubbing your scalp. Avoid combing wet hair. Again, conditioner is important after shampoo because it moisturizes your hair, it gives shininess to your hair. From generation, we have been told by our granny that apply a hair oil. It's good to apply hair oil as it lubricates your hair, it gives shine to your hair, it moisturizes your hair. But if you over apply and over shampoo it off, it will definitely harm your hair. So always use a tablespoon of oil and massage it with your fingertips. You can also replace your hair oil with some good growth serum also. Avoid heavy treatment at salon like spa and massagers. There are various hair treatment for textural improvement like keratin treatment, cystic complex treatment. These treatments are okay for your hair, but avoid it if you are in acutely shedding phase. As we all of know that hair cell are the fastest growing cell in our body and it is the first one to be affected. So I would say that your balanced diet is the first important step for your hair care. Always try to take a balanced diet which is rich in protein and iron along with a daily exercise. Try to find out the causes for hair loss, correct it, maintain it, follow a healthy lifestyle habits, know your do and don'ts for your hair, and if nothing works, try taking supplements. If you have hair problem, don't wait, seek help from your nearest dermatologist, and I am sure if you follow this plan properly, you will definitely have lustrous and thick hair. Thank you.